Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150. But even if you have a different year that generation, the video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood right above the radiator. We don't need that one today. We'll be working inside the vehicle. When you open the truck on the passenger side, under the glove box on the right side by the kick panel, there is one plastic panel. You remove it and you will see your fuse box. We took a picture, zoomed it, so we can show with a clear detail exactly where each of those fuses is located. Now, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you look right here, guys, okay, you're going to have that row of fuses on the left side. You will need to count, okay, down from top to bottom. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That 15 amp fuse will need to be checked, guys. That 15 amp fuse right here. Then we have another fuse, okay, that's known as fuse number 29. Fuse number 29 in the second row right here, it's the very last 20 amp fuse right here, guys. Check this fuse, that's the one that you need to check as well. And after that, we just have one more, which is known as fuse number 38. Will be in the third row, 1 2. Second fuse from bottom to top, that 10 amp fuse will need to be checked for the radio, guys, for the audio control module. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.